Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check watch history on X, previously known as Twitter. So keep in mind that you can do this both from your computer and your mobile device. So simply go to X and then you're gonna have to simply select more and then go to settings and privacy. Now simply go and click on download an archive of your data. So basically we're gonna have to download our data in order to be able to see our watch history on X. So simply click on that and now we're gonna have to verify that it's us. So you're gonna receive a code on our email. So as you can see, I just received the code. So I'm gonna copy this and paste it right here and then click on next. And basically what we're gonna have to do is simply click on request archive, and basically they're gonna send us the archive. So we're gonna get a zip file that we can simply open and see what we've done on our X account, what we've seen, and our messages. So basically everything that we can see, we're gonna receive. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.